Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we have an update for the Galaxy S24 series, specifically my S24 Ultra. Samsung has been rolling out a second May update. When the first May update came out, I started seeing a lot of complaints about battery life and screen on time. Now, I haven't really noticed any decreased battery life on my S24 Ultra and on any of the updates, but a lot of people are saying the battery life just isn't as good as the S23 Ultra. And I do tend to agree with that. It does seem to be a little bit less than the S23 Ultra that I had. But as far as like update to update, I haven't really noticed any changes. This update though is supposed to be increasing battery life. Some people are saying they're getting an hour or two more of screen on time after this second May update that's coming out. Now this update hasn't rolled out to me here in the US yet, but I have been seeing it pop up in a few different countries. So once that update comes out, I will do a full video on it and my experience and see how the battery life is and see if there's any noticeable difference. But I just want to let you guys know, for those of you updating your S24, S24 Ultra to the May security update, excuse me, if you have any decreased battery life, there is a second update coming that should be rolling out here shortly, hopefully if not this weekend or early next week. So we'll be looking forward to that and trying that out to see how the battery life is impacted. I am Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.